Welcome to the best picks. The best deer bacon seasoning is probably one of the most exciting ways to elevate your wild game. This seasoning promises to transform your venison into something truly special. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or a culinary enthusiast, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about deer bacon seasoning, ensuring your next batch of deer bacon is the best you've ever tasted. Number 5. LEM Backwoods Maple Bacon Cure. Want to make delicious bacon at home? This product makes it incredibly simple. It's the key to achieving that perfect, smoky flavor. You have options. You can use it as a dry rub or create a wet brine. Either way, it will infuse your bacon with amazing taste. If you love bacon, you'll love this. It takes the guesswork out of the process, making it accessible to everyone. Making bacon at home is easier than you think. Grab this product and start enjoying the best bacon you've ever tasted. This product ensures your bacon is packed with flavor. It's the secret ingredient to creating bacon that everyone will rave about. What we like. This seasoning offers the flexibility of both dry rub and wet brine applications. It simplifies the process of making bacon at home. If you are looking for a versatile seasoning that allows you to experiment with different bacon making techniques, you should consider this one. What people say. Use this for a venison variation and it works excellent. This has the best flavor when the bacon is fully cured. Great flavor, cured for the 7 days, soaked in was for 5 minutes to remove any brine, then smoked to internal temp 160, chilled then sliced. Number 4. Pork King Good Bacon Seasoning. Introducing the Pork King Good Bacon Seasoning. It's perfect for grilling, cooking, and even popcorn. This seasoning will bring bold and fun flavors to your food. If you are familiar with Pork King Good, then you know they are all about bold and innovative flavors. This seasoning is no exception, it will add a unique taste to your dishes. Enjoy tons of flavor without any of the junk. This product prides itself on its clean and natural ingredients. It contains 0 grams of carbs per serving and is keto and paleo friendly. You can sprinkle it on eggs, cheese sauce, burgers, baked potatoes, nuts, roasted veggies, soup or chili, popcorn, chicken, fish, pork, and casseroles. The possibilities are endless with this seasoning. This is a great gift idea for bacon lovers or creative home cooks and chefs. They will love the flavor it brings to their cooking. What we like. This seasoning is designed with 0 carbs and is free of MSG and gluten. It is also incredibly versatile, perfect for eggs, popcorn, and even burgers. If you are following a keto or paleo diet and want to add bold flavors to your meals, this is a great choice. What people say. I have used this seasoning for years and it is always great. This seasoning is the best I have found for deer bacon. It makes the best deer bacon. Number 3. High Mountain Bacon Cure Kit, Original Blend. This kit from High Mountain creates bacon with a sweet and savory flavor. It also has a little kick. You'll love the taste. Make delicious bacon at home with this kit. It's perfect for breakfast, burgers, sandwiches, and more. It's easy to use. Add this cure to your pork belly and create fresh, delicious bacon. The process is simple, and the results are amazing. You'll be making bacon like a pro. This kit can cure up to 25 pounds of meat. It's perfect for making a large batch of bacon. You'll have plenty to enjoy. This product is proudly made in America. You can trust the quality and the ingredients. Enjoy the taste of home. What we like. This kit delivers a sweet and savory flavor with a kick. It allows you to cure up to 25 pounds of meat. If you are looking to make a large batch of bacon with a classic flavor profile, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Ease of use, great flavor and taste. Do follow direction as to how much to use per pound of meat, because if you use more than recommended it will be too salty. Just follow directions and it does the rest. Makes wonderful good bacon. We use this for venison and it works great. Used to make preformed venison bacon. I like it a lot more than others I have tried. Number 2. High Mountain Bacon Cure Kit, Black Pepper and Brown Sugar. This kit from High Mountain allows you to make delicious bacon at home. It's perfect for breakfast or adding to your favorite recipes. It's easy to use and creates amazing flavor. The seasoning creates a perfect balance of sweet and savory. It includes a classic hint of brown sugar and maple. You'll love the taste. With this kit, you can create bacon that elevates any meal. It's great for burgers, sandwiches, pizza, and more. It's a game changer. Simply add this cure to your favorite pork belly. You'll be able to make fresh, wholesome, and delicious bacon. It's a simple process with incredible results. This kit cures up to 12 pounds of your favorite meat. It's perfect for making a large batch of bacon. You'll have plenty to enjoy. This product is proudly made in America. You can trust the quality and the ingredients. Enjoy. What we like. This seasoning kit offers a perfect balance of sweet and savory flavors, with a hint of brown sugar and maple. It allows you to cure up to 12 pounds of meat. If you enjoy a classic bacon flavor with a touch of sweetness, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. Makes wonderful good bacon. We use this for venison and it works great. I did everything pretty much by the book, or, more appropriately, by the included pamphlet, and it came out great. Number 1. High Mountain Bacon Seasoning, Black Pepper and Brown Sugar. Introducing High Mountain Bacon Seasoning. This blend is designed to take your bacon to the next level. It's a simple way to enhance the flavor of your favorite breakfast meat. Before you cook your bacon, sprinkle this seasoning on both sides. It's easy to apply and ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. Just a simple step to make your bacon amazing. This seasoning features a sweet, rich caramel flavor with a touch of heat. The blend of black pepper and brown sugar creates a candied, savory taste that's simply irresistible. You will love it. Use this seasoning to transform your breakfast and burgers into a gourmet experience. It's the chef's secret to irresistibly delicious and flavorful bacon. It's perfect for pork, venison, and deer. The bottle features a convenient shaker lid for easy application. It's proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and flavor. This is a must-have for any bacon lover. What we like. This seasoning provides a sweet, candied, savory flavor with a touch of heat. It is easy to apply, simply sprinkle it on your bacon before cooking. If you like a sweet and savory bacon with a gourmet touch, you should definitely try this. What people say. It's epic. My husband uses it on all sorts of recipes and refuses to be without it. The flavor's great, add to all types food for added flavor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.